I'm John Champion, alongside me is Jim Beglin, and we're enjoying the atmosphere inside the unique stadium that is Wembley.
Hi John, there's been a great buzz here since I sat in my seat. I think this promises something special today.
Now let's see how both these teams will line up. So, Jim, how do you see this fixture unfolding?
Well, both teams have spent enough time on preparation. I mean, physically and tactically, they should be in perfect condition. It might come down to luck today, you know.
Off we go then. Penalised for that challenge. Knocks it long. Here's a shot. He so nearly exploited that mistake.
I thought he did so well to win possession of the ball in such a good position. He had to have a goal.
Stopped him illegally there. Here's a ball in. And that's going a long way. Plays an early ball in.
Well, that's not going to go down well with the coach, is it? That's just hit and hope.
Quarter of an hour gone in the first half. Easy pickings, really. Wins a throw. Tries to slide it past the defence. A tremendous header. Keeper's got a strong hand on the ball. Good delivery, but I'm afraid the finish wasn't up to it.
And that was lovely wing play. There's nothing wrong with the supply, but the finish was sadly lacking.
A ball in, carried away. Here's a cross, and the cross cleared away. "30 minutes on the watch." Beautiful through ball over the top. Corner, good play there by the defence. It's another corner. They really need to make use of this. He knocks it in. A volley. The score's level just 5 minutes before half-time. Forward it goes. He's on a real charge. And with that, the referee brings the first half to a close.
Well, it's been a really cagey affair. Neither side's able to find the net. Both keepers wouldn't mind it.